Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot today. Wow, is this a nice 2017 Buick Regal. Now it is a touring model, and you're going to see why it's called that. This thing is sweet. It does have a sunroof in it. It's got a 2-liter turbocharged engine, so you're going to have plenty of power with this. Light colored leather interior, backup camera, heated front seats, LCD center. I mean, this thing is just gorgeous. Wait till you get to see the inside of it. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk for you. Okay, here I've got the trunk open. You can see it does have the envelope style net that is back here. All kinds of room in this thing. I mean, I was actually very surprised when I seen the space that was in this trunk. But let's go ahead. We'll continue to do our walk around. We'll go here on the driver's side. Nice rims on this car too. You've got 4-wheel disc brakes on it. The one thing I do want to point out, you can see here on your mirrors, you do have turn signals on both sides. Nice little louvers on the front. Go up here, there is your sunroof. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the back seat. Okay, there we go, guys. Beautiful light colored, maybe a cream color on the interior. Nice headliner. There is your sunroof, and I'll show you it's got a 2-tone color on your door panels. I mean, this thing's beautiful. Okay, here's what the front looks like. We're gonna get up here in just a moment, but I wanted to just show you the door panel here, your window controls, mirror adjustments right there. There's your trunk release. One nice thing, you do have power seats on the front here. Beautiful car inside. Do a quick view of the sunroof. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. I do have the car running. That's what you'll see, the little emblem. It's just I don't have my seat belt fastened, not being in here. But really, I mean, it's really laid out in a beautiful manner. I mean, very beautiful inside this car. But let me go ahead and get in a little bit close, show you the gauges. You can see the miles on this, only 25,905 miles. You do have controls on both sides of your steering wheel. Cruise control here on the left, along with some settings up here on your gauges, and then audio volume up and down on the right hand side. Now we'll go over here to your LCD center, so you can see some of the different options that are up here right now. So we'll just click on the audio. It does have SiriusXM capability, which is actually activated on this right now for a trial, most likely. Now it does have a backup camera, so I'm going to drop it down in reverse right there, and you see the backup camera engaged. So that's really a nice safety feature built into it. But scroll down here, it does have dual climate control, both sides, and I've got it synced where they both will be at the same temperature. And beautiful thing with this ride is you do have the heated seats right there, and you see that lit up, and we'll go ahead and you see the right one is lit up. So heated front seats, you gotta love that in the wintertime. Beautiful wood colored or wood trim in here. Nice chrome finish around your gear shift. 2 cup holders right here, and this does lift up for a storage compartment, and you can see you got 2 USBs, auxiliary input, and then a what looks to be a 12-volt input also for your electronics. Let's take a look in back. Look how nice that is. The center area does fold down for an armrest. You do have lights for the back also. One thing I wanted to show you, it does have a shade, so if you wanted to keep the sun off of you, you can do that. So even on a nasty day today, it's nice having that thing open. But man, is this car nice. So I'll tell you what, guys, it's going to make a nice one for somebody coming in Christmas season here. Just putting it on a lot today. But 2017 Buick Regal Touring. It's got the 2-liter turbocharged engine in it. You could possibly get in this with no money down. So just give us a call. We'd love to be able to get you hooked up. So have a great day. Bye for now.